iCloud can be very expensive, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do one of the most affordable methods to back up your memories offline using the standard SD card. Now first off, you will need an adapter of sorts. This one here is just one from Lexar. This is not sponsored. This is just one that I found some time ago. Pretty affordable because it has the USB-C port here and the USB-A port, so it's very versatile, and it has slots of both the full-size SD card and the micro SD. So that's my main reason for choosing this. Now with the SD card, first up, it's actually easier than the flash drive because you don't have to do any formatting really. With the flash drive, you have to format to APFS or exFAT. With this, it's simply plug and play. You just need the right adapter. Now I'm just going to stick the flash drive right into the adapter there. I'm even going to go the distance and pop a micro SD card in there as well. So we get 2 for 1. There it is. They're both in there. And if you're like me and you run a case on your device, yeah, you might run into some issues here. So you're gonna want an adapter of some sort. Here I have this, a USB-C extender, or depending on what you have, you may need a USB-C to USB-A adapter or whatever. There you go. Doesn't matter, anyone works. Let's work with the C today. Stick that in, and if you're new to this yet again, you want to go into your Files app first. This is how it looks. Let's press the browser at the bottom of the screen to get back out to the main menu, and here on the locations you see the both storage devices populate right there. Now they are like any other storage device. You can open them up normally. You can copy and paste in between them just like on your regular Windows or Mac devices. And with this confirmation here that your drives are read and connected here, you want to go into your gallery. Now here you are. This is just some run-of-the-mill anime photos I've had since high school. I'm a nerd for my entire life, peeps. And let's just select a couple here from Black Lagoon, Bleach manga panel there, something from Witchblade, and images. Now this works for videos as well, but I'm just showing you with the images first, with the first method here, which is the favorite one of mine. Holding down with one thumb here with one of your hand, use your other hand to hold up, swipe across, come to the other device, and you just simply let them go. Wait for them to populate. There they are down there. Now that's for that. Now let's get out of here and let's get into my library here, real photos. And something I need to show you. Let's come back to my gallery here, and these photos and videos here are all taken with the iPhone. And I'm going to select one of the images here with my gimbal, press the I there for some information, and as you can see, it is in the HEIF or HEIF format, the standard format that Apple creates your photos in once you take them with the camera themselves. I'm showing you that for a reason, and I'm going to select a few of these pictures here, just 3. Press the share button there in the left hand corner. That's actually the second method here I want to show you. You can send them to your contacts, or you can choose any other app here. This is where you can, go wild with what you want to do with your stuff and how to copy them over. But you are interested in this, save to files, and you're going to want to go right back out to the main menu where you will see your drives here. So I'm going to select the other one up there, and you simply press save, and then you watch them populate. Done. Then it comes back to the gallery again, our photos app. This is Apple, not Android. And what you want to do is go back. I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Press browse, go to this SanDisk here, and these are the 3 images I just took. Let's hold long, press it, get info, and when you copy them like that, you have them as a HEIF image, right? You see the HEIF format right there. However, if you do them this way with the drag and drop, for example, come back over, let it go. Here it is right there. Press get info, JPEG image. So when you drag and drop them, it actually copies it as a JPEG image. So that's a shortcut if you want the more universally known and compatible JPEG format over the Apple HEIF or HEIF format. So a little trick there. Going back to the gallery, yet again, it's the same thing. You have videos there. There's a video there and a bunch of videos there. So I'm just going to use the other method of selecting. Now, going to select again. But this time there's 1, 2, that's the way I've been showing you from the very beginning. However, there's this other method and you can just do this. Drag and select as many as you want. But you don't want to select too much. No more than a few hundred images, and for videos, no more than say a handful, especially if they're big files. If they're longer videos, depending on how long they are, you may actually want to do them individually. But when you do this, and let's just do it the way that's easiest for most people to remember, save the files, you select your drive. I'm selecting the second one here. Let's just create a folder here, actually. New folder. I'm going to call this one test 2. Get into test 2 and then you just simply press save. And there you have it. You see all the files populating right there. So this may take a little while. This is not as fast as a flash drive, especially a USB-C Gen 2 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 or Gen 1 speed flash drive. Guys, I don't know where they're coming up with these names, but definitely gets the job done. It is easier, and there it is. Once it's done, it should take me back to the gallery, which is exactly what it did. It's done, and that's about all there is to it. I mean, everything is there. This is one of the SD cards. They're both named the same, so I'm not sure which is which, but here is test 2. Here are all the videos and pictures that I just copied over. They're all there. Because I used that method to copy them over, yet again, they should be in their QuickTime movie format and their HEIF format. So let's play a video here. You can fast forward it. Let's get some movements going. There it is. Yeah, this is me testing out new gimbals and stuff. Yeah. So everything works, everything plays just like any run-of-the-mill external storage device. That's it. Very convenient. And that's about it. Pretty simple stuff. A comprehensive walkthrough showing you how to do this on SD cards. It's pretty simple. And unlike Windows or Mac devices, when you're done, you plug out. No need to press any eject or anything. And you're good to go from there. As I said before, you can check out the video when I showed you how to do this using a flash drive. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to back up to a SSD or even a mechanical hard drive that most people have laying around gathering dust somewhere. But that's about it, peeps. Thanks for tuning in. You don't know, I'll appreciate a like, subscribe, and of course, hitting like this notification bell so you know when the next video is out. You don't want to miss the next one. Peace out and take care.